Hi, this is John from Banana Baby, and in this video we are going to take a look at me assembling the Carrycot for the iCandy peach. So what I've just done there is just slip the Carrycot fabric into the frame. It's important to do that. Now I'm just joining the frame together. Notice that the fabric is already attached inside the frame. So what I've got here now is the base for the Carrycot. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to make sure that the holes fit the feet that go through. There's a bit of a footing that goes underneath. You'll see it. There's four foot that should fit through those holes. Make sure they're perfectly aligned. And what I'm going to grab now is the support bar. So this one is what keeps the Carrycot in its shape. So at the ends, I'm just threading that through the fabric. There's a hole for it. So there's no left or right. They're both of the support bars are exactly the same. So I'm gonna thread that through and just join it to the frame. There is a little plastic thing that joins. You could try to lock it in position now, but I'm just testing it at this moment. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna zip this up. Oh, actually, so I decided that I might as well do the other side as well at the same time. It doesn't really matter because at the end of the day, you can do one side, then do the other. So I'm just putting it in. Chances are this will just pop off as you go, but I just wanted to get the positioning right to make sure that it looks good. So I'm gonna zip it at the moment. Just make sure that it's the black zippers is on the outside. It joins onto the zippers on the frame. It's relatively easy, this part so far. It's not too hard. Just get it through. And then in a moment you just zip it up. But as you're zipping, you might find that it might be a little bit easier to lock the support bar in. But look, if you accidentally lock the support bar in first, you probably find it's quite hard to do the zipper. So what I'm doing now is just making it a little bit higher, just to give it some shape. So it helped me a little bit zipping it through, and as I get towards the end. Sometimes you will see that I might just click it in. So what I've just done, I just locked the support bar in. Obviously, you can only really do that once the zippers are done on all sides. So again, I'm going to do it onto the other end as well. Just zip it up. Apparently this side's a little bit easier than the other side. Pop it up towards the end. I find that helps out to finish it off. And look, at this moment you can already see the form, the shape of the Carrycot. As I'm finishing it off, I'm just pressing these studs into the frame. Again, when I see some other customers return with these frames, they tend to have forgotten some of these parts. So this is the inside lining, so this makes the Carrycot look also pretty. So this part's easy. Just line it up, zip it around. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and it is a very lush fabric. Once that's done, putting the fabric in. Of course, when you're doing it, you are not going to have the plastic there. I'm assembling this for a customer, so obviously we do not want to move the plastic out of the mattress. So I'm putting the bar, the handlebar, which forms, kind of gives it a nice look, but it makes it easy to carry the Carrycot. Mind you, do not use that as a handle to carry with your child. What I'm putting in here is just the cover for the Carrycot. canopy. This is just the cover for the foot area. Now, the next part. I found it on some boxes of the iCandy, I think the Cerium, that the canopy part is already assembled for you. But on all the other Peach 7s or the Peach previous models, you have to assemble this. It's actually, sometimes it's quite easy, and sometimes it's really hard. So you just have to find that little opening on the on one side of the canopy frame and just keep feeding it through. It's relatively smooth. Just make sure that it's relatively smooth. So you should be able to push it through. But then sometimes you get to the stage where you kind of know that the fabric is jamming, makes it a little bit hard to look like, just like now. Just kind of work your way through it. It's a bit tricky, so you can try pulling it. I find sometimes pulling it doesn't really help. It's best to just push it from the opening side. Now, here's the funny part. It is possible to get this part wrong, so just observe what I'm doing. Notice how that little sun visor part, it tucks in, and then it looks like that. If your sun visor doesn't look like that, like what I just did when I flick back in, then you got it the wrong way around. You have to redo it. And now I'm just attaching the canopy, zipping that on. The zippers are pretty good quality, so it's not very hard to do at all. The hardest part is basically just the support bar. Once you do that part, the rest of it is relatively simple. And okay, look, so this part here, I am going to assemble the iCandy Peach 7 or Peach previous model, the seat. So basically, again, we use the same frame, so the fabric of the seat will slot through the frame. Make sure you do this part. What you're seeing me doing, the fabric going through the frame, make sure you do this part. This part gives it a lot more support to the seat, and I have seen a few custom installations that they forgot to do this. It's very important to do that part I just did. So basically most customers would just join it up and then just zip it up. I mean, like, we are putting the fabric through the frame. It doesn't have the same structural integrity. So now I'm just zipping through. The seat is significantly easier than the Carrycot to assemble. And you just zip that through. Again, we press these studs onto the frame, just again gives a reinforcement. Don't forget your kit gets heavy after a while. And then I like putting on the bar. It just gives me somewhere to grab. I mean, you can put that in the end, it really doesn't matter. Now I'm gonna do the canopy again. So let's have another good look at the canopy. Okay, so the canopy, again, the sun visor. Note how the sun visor, the sun visor needs to go in and yet still slightly expose the frame of the canopy. So look, this one I think it slots in quite nicely. It just goes in really smoothly. Sometimes it's smooth, sometimes it's hard. But as I said, pushing is the best way. Pulling is actually significantly harder. Okay, so we just put that onto the frame, and that's it. It's all done. The total time of assembling both the Carrycot and the seat was just around 10 minutes. But look, You obviously can take longer at home because you need to get instructions. I've done this a few times, and obviously I can do it a bit quicker. So don't worry about the time. What matters is doing it correctly. And that's it. So that's the assembly of the iCandy carry